Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. Initially, before Harvey's time, William Harvey's time, it was believed that liver produced the blood from whatever we eat. Whatever food we eat is converted to blood by the liver. But then Harvey realized that if liver produces the blood, uh, the body should have a volume of blood which is nearly impossible for the body to hold. So he started studying circulation and heart and things like that. And then he noticed that the heart had two beats. One is where it constricts, and when it constricts, he noticed that the arteries expand. And then the second beat is where the heart expands. So he said that when the heart constricts, the blood moves away from the heart into the arteries. That was one way he designed the experiment. And then he said that because the heart constricts and the arteries expand, the blood moves away from the heart into the arteries, and the arteries take the blood to the other organs of the body. So he assumed that the veins carry the blood to the heart. He also wanted to prove that the veins carry the blood to the heart. So he recruited volunteers for his study, very strong, muscular men, and he tied a tourniquet to their arm. A tourniquet is a tight band you tie on your arm so that your veins and all show up well, they bulge and they show up well. And when he tied the tourniquet to their arm, the veins appeared very, very distinctly. And then he took a small probe, a small something which can mark the flow of blood, and then he tried pushing that probe away from the heart. The heart is here, and he tried pushing it away from the heart in the vein. And he tried pinching the veins such that the blood moved away from the heart, and it was impossible for him to keep the blood away from the heart. The blood in the veins kept returning to the heart. So he said the veins carry the blood to the heart. When the heart receives the blood from the veins, it expands, and then it contracts and sends the blood from it to the arteries, and arteries distribute it in the organs. He also wanted to prove this publicly. So he started cutting animals in public, and in one of the demonstrations, he's supposed to have cut a snake open, and then he's supposed to have pinched or constricted or restricted the vein which was going to the snake's heart. As soon as the vein was pinched, the heart did not receive any blood. It failed, and it could not, when it was cut open, it did not bleed well. Not much blood came out. Therefore, he proved that veins carry blood to the heart. And then again, he constricted the artery. Once he pinched the artery, all the blood remained in the heart, and heart was swelling with blood, and when you pricked it, blood splurted out, or blood spurted out rather. And therefore, he said that arteries carry blood away from the heart. Using this simple experiment, he proved that heart pushes out the blood into the arteries, and arteries distribute it to the organs, and veins bring back the blood to the heart. Thank you.